Today you guys are going to learn how to, or review how to, solve systems by using graphs and tables, and then later you'll learn how to solve systems using substitution and linear combination. The first part today will be by solving by graphing, and this is in section 3-1. Whenever you solve by graphing, you're going to see where they meet. A better word for that might be where they intersect. In problem 1, we have two equations. Two equations is what we call a system of linear equations. I will teach you how to solve by graphing in part 1 and by how to use a table in part 2. In order to solve by graphing, you want to make each equation equal to y. In the first equation, you're going to take over the 3x. Then you'll divide everything by 2. You have y equals 3 over 2x plus 4. That's the first equation. Go to the graph and plot some points. Start by going up 4. Then use your slope to rise and run, up 3, right 2. Give yourself some points on the right and the left. So go back to your original and go down 3, left 2. Do that until you have a pretty good picture. Make sure to put arrows on your lines. The second equation, you also have to solve for y. So we're going to take the x over. So you will get 2y equals negative x minus 8. Next, you'll divide by 2. Remember that the negative sign in front of the x is actually a negative 1. So you get negative 1 over 2x minus 4. Go back to your graph, plot the y-intercept down at negative 4. Then go down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2. Notice how your points that you're plotting are going away from the other line. So on the other hand, go up 1, left 2, up 1, left 2. You can see how the lines meet perfectly at a point. The point that they meet at is the solution to both equations. In this case, the solution point is negative 1, 2, 3, 4, and negative 1, 2. If you wanted to check if you did this right, take negative 4 and negative 2 and plug them into their corresponding x and y values in both equations. In the top equation, when you plug in negative 4 for x and negative 2 in for y, when you add them together, you'll get a positive 8. In the bottom equation, when you add them together, you'll get a negative 8. That goes to show that that is the point that solves both of the solutions. The next example I'm going to teach you how to do using a table.